So part 15, I think, of chapter 9. I need to bear there with me, guys. We only have 75 videos to finish. I'm kidding. I think that's the last one of chapter 9. So let's keep going and see how to do this problem with the periodic review system. Okay. So here you have the problem. If you didn't try by yourself, just stop it now and try to calculate target. If you did and you already know the answer, let's see if you did it right. You can also open the Word document and see how I did the math there. Okay. So this was the problem we did with the Q system, right? And now we want to do that with the periodic review system, right? So the first thing we need to do is to calculate P, right? So P is going to be the Q divided by the average weekly demand. We know Q from the last problem. We calculated the YOQ was 1,121. And we know that our weekly demand is 290, right? And that comes from this problem, just so you guys remember here, right? We know 290, and then we also calculate the economic order quantity last time, okay? So we're going to use the save service level here at P, it's going to be 3.85, and we need to round to 4 weeks, okay? So you have to be around a number here, very important step, because we cannot order every 3.5 weeks, right? So every 4 weeks we're going to take a look, and now we're going to calculate the target level, T, right? So that will be, just to put the formula here, the demand on times P plus L plus the z-score times standard deviation over the week, in this case, square root of P plus L. Oops. Okay. So this piece of L, sorry, I can't erase on a piece of paper. So target will be 290, which was the weekly demand, times P was 4, we just calculated. L is 5. Oops, I managed to fix 5. And z-score was 1.65, the same thing we used before. Standard deviation of the lead time was 64. Same thing for the last math, and I don't know why I did so big. It's going to be 4. I'm going to use all the space then. What do you guys think? 4 plus 5. I know. I'm trying to do my best with my handwriting. This is the good version of my handwriting. Yes, actually, by the way, I'm teaching my 5-year-old now. So I'm also teaching kindergarten in this. And she sometimes complained about my numbers. She said my numbers are wrong. So yeah, she wanted to do my 9 like this. She said that this is the 9, not the one that I do it. So probably you guys were taught this way. Anyway, so target will be 2,610 plus 317. Oh, 17, not 14. 17. Okay. Let me see if I find a razor here. No, also using my wife's office, so she's also not very happy with me right now. But anything that I need to do to make you guys happy and knowledge, right? Target level will be 2,927. So the difference here between those two, big difference, is on the safety stock, right? So this is safety stock, okay, for the P system. On the let's see if I can shift it kind of here. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. For the Q system, let's see if I can maybe scoop this here. I'm gonna cover my 9, but you guys remember my 9. So the safety stock for the Q system was 236. Now my safety stock for the P system is 317. So that's one difference between those two. And why is that happening? Well, because you see the formula here, I'm saying the safety stock is 1.65. This is safety stock formula, right? 1.65 times 64 times square root of 5. And here I have square root of 4 plus 5. So this 4 here and makes the safety stock higher for a P system. P system will always have a higher safety stock. Why is that? Because I have to be protected for the variation in demand on a bigger period of time. Okay, so if I count my items in one day, I put my order, I'm going to have the lead time until I receive that order. Okay, and then it will take the P for me to review everything again, and then the lead time to actually receive the items. So that's why I need more inventory to be protected by P plus L and not only L. Here I'm protected for L. Here I'm protected P plus L. Okay, so that's the big difference in terms of inventory. Okay. So last thing that I want to talk to you guys about, we went through all the problems and we survived. Now, I kind of did this so you guys don't need to do number 3. I cut some stuff from the material. So yes, it was 15 videos, but I cut stuff from it. So it actually more if we had been doing classes and face-to-face, right? So the only question that you need to answer here is chapter 9 is based on the answer, which is basically understand the product, create a problem to calculate economic order quantity or Q or P system for one item. Show the problem, right? Like create the situation, the question, the calculation, and the solution. Okay, and here we finish our 3rd week, chapter 9. Again, this one is I know it's heavy, and you guys probably need to review some of the videos, but you have these problems to work on, and I can give you extra problems to work. You also have the homework assignment. Okay, so see you guys next week.